वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड आप लोगों की बहुत रिक्वेस्ट पे जो है वो इतने लोगों ने जो है मुझसे पूछा कि आपकी फिटनेस का क्या राज है और इतना कुछ जो है ना उन्होंने फिटनेस तो आई थॉट कि मैं जो हूँ वो आप लोगों को अपना वर्कआउट जो है वो दिखाऊंगी एंड आई वर्क आउट विद Fatima Zara Mallick, also known as FZM, and she's right here.
Hi guys, how are you? कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? Nadia, how are you today?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm good.
So Fatima is my trainer, and I've been working out with them almost एक साल हो गया.
एक साल हो गया जी.
Yes. हम आपको बहुत कुछ दिखाते रहेंगे. So Fatima, should we start with the workout? She's gonna kill me today.
I'm going to kill it. Yes, let's start. So we're gonna start on the trampoline.
Okay.
तो आप आ जाएं trampoline पे. आप देख रहे हैं कि नादिया ने जूते नहीं पहने हैं, तो प्लीज ऑन द ट्रैम्पोलिन ताकि इम्पैक्ट नहीं आए इनके नीज पे. सिंपल जॉब करनी है. ट्रैम्पोलिन इज अ ग्रेट वे टू वर्क आउट. अगर आपके नीज में भी दर्द है, जमीन पे क्योंकि इम्पैक्ट होता है. ऑन द ट्रैम्पोलिन इट्स सेफ, इट्स इफेक्टिव एंड यू बर्न मोर कैलोरीज एज वेल. So now that you're warmed up, let's do 30 jumping jacks. Ready? Arms all the way up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. अब हम करेंगे थोड़े से high knee. So I want your knees to come up really high. Come on, let's go. Up and up and up and up. Come in the center, and let's go. 10 more seconds here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, we're gonna repeat that.
Oh. Okay, repeat.
जी मगर अब we're going to add these weights. These are special weights that are for toning. They're about half pound each. तो अभी आप warm हो गई हैं तो अब हम थोड़ी सी intensity इनकी बढ़ा रहे हैं. तो आप jog करेंगे उनको साथ साथ you're gonna shake them so that your arms get even more toned.
Okay.
Alright, ready? Shake. Lovely. So they stand inside these weights. So you jog with them and you burn more calories. Very good. सिर्फ हम ये करेंगे 5 मिनट के लिए. No, I'm joking. 1 minute. 1 minute. And rest. Alright, ready for your jumping jacks? I'm gonna move. So आप अपने हाथ सिर्फ यहाँ तक लाएंगे. Yes. Ready? Let's go. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Feet up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And last thing, our high knees. हाथ ऊपर कर लें. 30 seconds. Yes. You're gonna punch. Okay. So one knee up, arm up. Knee up, arm up. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest, relax. You are warmed up. Okay, so up we have these mobility sticks. This is to open up your shoulders because you're working all day doing makeup. So your shoulders काफी stiff हैं. So you're going to do some shoulder mobilization. So all the way back, yes, and all the way forward. And इसमें breathing बहुत ज़रूरी है. Exhale, inhale, slow it down. Let's do 10. आराम से और थोड़े से हाथ खोलें. Yeah. और ये अगर आप देख रहे हैं आप घर में एक लंबे दुपट्टे के साथ भी कर सकते हैं, एक स्टिक के साथ भी कर सकते हैं if you don't have these. Very good. Let's do 5 more. 3, 2. And 1. और अब हम करेंगे इसको आप ऐसे ही पकड़ रहे हैं and 20 shrugs with these. Ready? Just down and up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 19 and 20. Okay, same thing. Overhead 20. Just up and down shrugs. And these are very small exercises, but ये बहुत ज़रूरी हैं, especially for posture, for the upper back, and also just for the shoulders and to relax the neck. Yep. Keep going. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep holding it overhead. थोड़े से arms को और wide करें, and we're just going to go into an overhead squat. So arms are wide and straight, and you're just going to squat.
Wide?
Yes, perfect. And exhale. Keep breathing. So जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, Nadia's mobility is really good because overhead squats are pretty hard, but she's able to do it. And I love the overhead squat because it's great for the abs. Like next day you can see definition. Let's just slow it down a little bit more. So slow, hold, and slowly come up. So 10 करते हैं slow and up. That's 2. Relax your shoulders. Yes. And 3. Very good. And rest. Okay, so now this is the water bag. So it really, इसके अंदर पानी है and it really works for your stability and your core. और आप देख रहे हैं कि हर exercise जो कि हम नादिया को करा रहे हैं, it's challenging but every exercise is working every single muscle. Okay, let's go. So you have to step up, step down with control. Let's go up and down.
Opposite.
And come up. And now go down with this leg. And come up.
Oh.
Oi! So balance is very important. और हम ये कर रहे हैं 50. So I think अभी आपने 4 की हैं. Okay, I'll make it 6. 4. Yes. So keep breathing. When you go up, exhale. और आराम से नीचे step करना है ताकि impact नहीं आए knees पे. Very good. Use your core to balance. And last 10, 9, 8, 7, very good, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. और आपने देखा कि हमने ब्रेक भी नहीं लिया, पूरा एक साथ किया. Great, I can have a water break. Hi guys, welcome back. अब हम करेंगे बोसू और सिल्क्स के साथ प्लैंक.
Plank.
So, yes. क्योंकि अगर हम एक ही चीज रोज कराएंगे तो we'll stop seeing changes with the body. So we want to constantly challenge her. कि अच्छा रेगुलर प्लैंक्स हो गए तो बोसू डाल दो. बोसू के साथ कर लिया तो फिर सिल्क्स डाल दो. And keep challenging her. Okay, we're gonna do a minute. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go squeeze. Squeeze everything, body in one straight line. Yes. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, body in one straight line. Everything tight. And relax.
What?
Look up, please come over. Okay, the planks are done. अब हम hamstrings पे काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि usually जब knees में दर्द होता है लोगों के it's because their hamstrings are not strong enough. So let's lift up, higher, and over here we're going to do a hamstring curl. Curl your knees in and out, and we're going to do 10 of these. And इसमें like as you can see her knees are going to the side, so that means her inner thighs are a little bit lazy. So we're going to fix that. Now she's working her inner thighs a little bit more as well. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can relax your upper body for 1 second. And now it's time for. तो ये है हमारा Bulgarian bag. इसका shape थोड़ा सा funny है, which is why it's a little bit harder to lift. Yeah, just hold it like this.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to maintain and press your arms up and all the way down. And down. Keep going. Let's do 10 more. 10, 9, 8. Tap the floor with your elbows each time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. There you go. So, putting it on your back, you have it?
Yeah.
Is it equal? Yes, it's equal. Okay, and now up. So just half squat. And sit back down. So keep your chest up, exhale, up, everything squeezed and back down. Go back up, hold it, everything squeezed. 3. So this is a 20 kg men's Olympic bar. It's heavy. This is called a half squat. So we're doing this because it's a variation. जैसे squats हमने पहले भी किए हैं, so we like to mix things up ताकि body results देती रहे. Slow it down, not so fast. Hold it at the top for 2 seconds. And your last one. Sit back down and I will take the bar. Great. Amazing. And now, let's come into a high plank and do some shoulder taps. Do. So let's try to move as little as possible. Slow. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, rest. Relax. Let's do this one more time. So now we have the Pilates arc. हमने काफी exercises कर ली हैं. So now we really want to stretch and relax the back and also strengthen it a little bit. So the arc is right here. Nadia is sitting on it, and now we're gonna just lean back. आराम से. That's how you go. Slowly. Yeah. And it's quite an aggressive stretch for the back. And take your arms behind you as well, or to the side, whatever your body allows today. And we're just gonna hold it. And if you want to relax the legs a little bit, you can bring them in. Butterfly position, butterfly. So yes, perfect. Okay, stand on top of it.
On top of
Yes.
Like this?
Yeah. This is a very aggressive stretch for the calves and the back of the leg. And hold. Breathe. Feel it?
Skin will feel only.
And slowly come up. And turn around. We're going to do the same thing on the other side.
Done?
Done! Great job! Yay!
So ये जो आज का workout था ये थोड़ा सा like is more focused on a lot of stretching and a lot of core building. So इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा high intensity वाली पागल पने वाली चीज़ें नहीं थी. वो भी आप आहिस्ता आगे मेरी workout videos में आप देखते रहेंगे. So this was all about my workout, and myself and Fatima should be signing off now.
Bye!